Here are 4 things to remember about your rotary blade for the Cameo 4. When you first open your rotary blade from the package, you'll notice that the blade is not exposed. This is for a safety precaution. So before you use your rotary blade, make sure to tighten your cap and expose the blade. The rotary blade only works in carriage 2 of the Cameo 4 because of the special force required to make it work. When you're preparing to cut with your rotary blade within Silhouette Studio, you need to make sure that your Tool 2 blade is set appropriately along with the corresponding settings. So you're going to set your material. In this case, we're using felt. The action should be rotary cut and the tool should be rotary blade. And to enable the Smart Cut settings, you need to click on your design on your mat and then select Rotary Cut. This will change your design to a blue color, letting you know that it's being cut with Tool 2, and it will enable the Smart Cut markings. These lines are necessary to reorient the blade so that your design cuts appropriately. After cutting felt and fabric for a few times, you might notice that you have a few fibers that get stuck within the blade. To remove those, you can simply unscrew the white cap of the rotary blade to expose the whole blade, and you can use your hook tool to remove any extra fibers. This will keep your blade nice and clean and cutting smooth.